let's do our read aloud together today. The genre, or the type of story we're going to read today, is called a nursery rhyme. A nursery rhyme is a short poem or a song that tells a story. They have a rhythm, so they have a beat to them, and you'll hear that as we read today, and they rhyme. We're going to be focusing on key details today that are going to tell us what's coming. We look for key details when we read and listen to nursery rhymes. They give us important information. When I read the beginning of the nursery rhyme, the key detail is that the speaker counts 1, 2. Then in the next line, she counts 3, 4, which tells me as we keep going, we're going to start our lines with counting. That's a key detail. Okay, let's do this nursery rhyme together. It's called 1, 2, buckle my shoe. You may have heard it before. Let's read it together. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, let's count again. You may have noticed that there's a couple of words in here that are highlighted. We have the word shut is highlighted in purple. It's a word that they want us to know. Shut means to close. We also have the word straight. This blue line across the top of the picture is a straight line. The word straight, it doesn't have a bend or a curve. We know this is a nursery rhyme because if you listen closely, it had a rhythm. It was almost like a song, and it rhymed. 4 and door, 2 and shoe. Can you think of another one that rhymed? 8 straight, 6 sticks. Very good. We learned at the end of the nursery rhyme that they wanted us to start over and do it again. Let's do it together. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, let's count again.